One thing I noticed about this site is that we've got 3 knuckles here, and we'll need to grade a crown line through each one of these knuckles when we do the vertical design. We can't grade it out to the intersection points of the centerline monument lines. Now, if you look at examples from some other client projects, if you look at this knuckle, you can see that we've got the alignments definition going through the PI of the 2 alignments. Even though our alignments intersect here, we still need to grade through the crown line to have a nice symmetrical drainage pattern as you proceed through this knuckle. It can't just be graded to a point here. So any elevation point here really is meaningless. If we look at another example project, these knuckles are a little bit different. These are concentric radii, so they're not really a knuckle, it's just a very tight curve that simulates a knuckle and provides a traveled way through the intersection of these 3 alignments. So we have to reflect that in our project design as well. So we'll need to add some arc segments here, and then we'll have to reflect that in our base map control. Okay, one more. And we should put these on a layer that will allow them to be recognized by a base map control. So let me go ahead and change these arcs to the crown layer, save this, and I'll redefine my base map control now. Okay, and crown lines, it found it automatically. Click OK, and we've got updated base map control data. So like before, if we started a new drawing, then attach that drawing to the current ASE data folder, view our base map control data. We've got crown lines now. Hover over it, you can see that's ASE BMC break lines, which is what it uses for the crown lines.